Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, guys, guess what? Yes, I won another giveaway. I've just been so lucky lately and I'm so blessed and grateful and thankful. But here is the box. This is another huge box. So I have my shelf clear because I'm just going to put the products out as I show them to you guys. But I won them from Jenny June, who most of you probably already know her channel. She's a fellow YouTuber and she does subscription boxes also. She does clothing, beauty, lifestyle boxes. And she also does occasional hauls. So she's just a really cool, down-to-earth lady. I love watching her videos. So definitely, if you guys don't know her, go check her out. I will leave her link down below in the description box and also pin it to the comment section. Okay, so with all that said, are you guys ready to get into this and see what I won this time? And Jenny June, she gave me a pretty good box also. And I think I'm going to be able to fill these shelves up behind me, just like my last giveaway, which, in case you guys didn't know, I will leave a link up above to my last giveaway that I won from Vicky Wick. So I'm still enjoying all the products that she sent me. But with that said, this box is opened. It is packed full of items. So let's get straight into it and see what she sent. Now, I'm going to start with my eyeglasses because that's first things first, right? Okay, I got some Bic shavers. Always need shavers, especially with summertime coming, and these are the kind with the sensitive, with the lotion on it. So those are really awesome. And this, I'm super excited to see this. This is Kate Somerville, and this is an exfoliant. So yeah, I've heard such good things about this. I haven't tried too many of her products, but I've heard a lot of awesome things about it. So I'm definitely happy to see that. And also a little loofah when I take my shower and shave my legs. And then I got this. This is from Lucci, and this is Metal Lift, and this, I believe, is a face mask. I also received one of these in one of my boxes, and I really actually enjoyed it. So, yay, I get to continue on. And, oh, I'm so happy to see these. I'm not 100% sure because I see all these subscription boxes out there. But I believe these bracelets came in, I could be wrong, but I think it was a FabFitFun, or what was that other one? I can't think of it. But anyway, I remember seeing other people get these bracelets and I just love them. They were rose gold, gold, and silver. And now I have, oh, here it is, Luxury Divas. That's who it was. It wasn't FabFitFun, it was Luxury Divas. So I am so happy I got the bracelets, and I'm putting them on right now, and I'm wearing them, and I just love them. I remember seeing everybody else, and I'm like, oh my goodness, those are so beautiful. Look at that. Comfortable too. Okay, and we have Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel-Off Mask. Yay! And this one, woohoo! I saw this one. It could have been in the FabFitFun box too. Is that who? Did I? No, Luxury Divas. I keep mixing these boxes up. I remember I saw these in one of the boxes too, and I was like, oh, I would love to have that. This is the best brow ever kit, and I can't wait to play with this. I have been recently getting into eye makeup more and more, and so this will be just another tool for me to play with. So thank you so much, Jenny. I'm very appreciative of that. I'm appreciative of all of it, really I am. And here's something more. Oh, speaking of eyes, this is Tresemme, or no, Tresemme. I'm sorry, Tresemme. And this is Good Vibes mascara with a curler on it. With an eyelash curler. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Tresique. Well, thank you very much. I should be rocking some eye looks pretty soon, guys. All right. And we have Glam Glow Good in Bed. What's this? This is Hollywood, California. Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. Oh, night cream. Oh, Good in Bed night cream. I get it. Play on words. Let's see what this looks like. Has no scent. Let's see how it feels. Oh, I think I'm gonna like it. Always love night cream. We'll put that baby right up there. And then we have some Glam Glow. And this is Super Mud Cleaning Treatment. So another mask. So we'll put that baby back there. And then we have some Caviar Anti-Aging Bond Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Look at this stuff, guys. Oh, how beautiful. Look, a pen set. Pink, white. Oh, it looks like a rose gold too. My daughter's probably going to try to steal this one off of me because she loves this kind of stuff. She's very much into stationery and rose gold. And her desk looks like this, so I better hide this if she comes over. Or I hope she don't watch this video because she'll be trying to steal that off of me. My little baby girl. You know Mama's going to give it to her if she asks. Oh, this is something from Tarte. And I don't know what this is. Tarte High Performance Naturals. Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. All right, some more mascara. And Tarte too. That's a good name brand. Oh, yeah. The brows, 2 mascaras. Boy, she just got this box packed. Like, seriously. Makeup Forever, Step 1, Skin Equalizer, Base Mattifier. Oh, here's a primer. Love little primers. Put that little baby right there. Steve Laurent. Ooh. And this is, of course, probably a lip color. And Bestie. Let me see what this looks like. I've used some of his products before and I really like them. Come on out of there. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful color. Oh wow, yes, that's perfect for me. Here's a color I just happen to have sitting on my desk that I wear all the time. As you can see, it's in the same family, so you know I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of that. Thank you very much. That is a nice color for me. And then we have this big old container. She had it nicely bubble wrapped. Skin & Company Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So I'm sure it's something to clean your face. Nice full-size container. Thank you very much. And we have something else. This is Klee. I believe this is a moisturizer, if I'm not wrong. Yes, a nice big bottle of it too. And this is a multi-cream deep moisturizing agent. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna be very moist. Like, guys, look at this. Am I winning some really good giveaways? I mean, between Vicky Week, just won some eyelashes. And this box, I'm not even halfway through. And look at this. I'm like, you guys, like if I have a giveaway, I feel like I got to really start putting more stuff away because you guys are really knocking it out of the ballpark here. Okay, here is some vitamin C serum. Yay, love vitamin C serum. That's a very important skincare ingredient. And Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Yay! Is this for your hair though, or color and heat protectant? Yeah, so this is for your hair. So thank you. That'll help when I get the dry hair ends, split ends. Oh my goodness. And here's, oh, eyeshadow, Lolita. This is a Kat Von D shade, I believe. I've seen other people and I love this, so I'm excited to try that look too. Wow. Here, okay, I'm just gonna pull this all out. Love this one. I received this one too. Girlactic eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I will definitely use this. Look at this tip. I love that tip. I received this and it's one of my favorite eyeliners. So we'll put that over here. We have some more lip liners, more colors that I will love. As you can see the tips of those, if you can see the color. And that is by Italiano. Okay, we'll put them babies over here. And we have another lip shine. A nice, beautiful, that'll be nice for the springtime. Nice, beautiful pink. And who is this? This looks familiar too. Oh, tattoo liner, Kat Von D. I believe that's who it is, right? Another good liner. Look at that point. I love drawing it on because you can just really get that wing going. All right, thank you for all the eyeliners. My eyebrows, my eyeliner, my mascara. Oh, we're not done. Eyelashes, yay. Some beautiful eyelashes. So we'll put them babies right there. And that has the glue with it too. And then this beautiful like snake skin bag. Nice, can wash this. Beautiful. Who is this by? Usually they always have it on the handle. Oh, Estee Lauder. Wow, thank you very much. Okay, we'll put that baby up there. Beautiful. And I'm not done, guys. I'm telling you, these are some great giveaways. Jenny, really, seriously, this is a really nice giveaway. And we have another bag, and this is also by Tarte, and this is Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint. Ooh, look at that. That's a beautiful color. It's like a mauve. What's it called? Festival. Yeah. All right, Jenny, boy. And here's some 100% coconut oil leave-in conditioner. Love leave-in conditioner. Thank you very much. From Mark Anthony. And also another little makeup bag. We'll put that baby up there. Oh, look at this one, guys. I'm super, look at my face. Look at my face. Anastasia Moonchild. This is my first Anastasia anything. Like I said, guys, I just recently started getting into makeup, and I've been hearing about Anastasia, and I'm learning all about these different brands, and I've heard a lot of good things about this. Look at this. And purples are my color. So this is this a highlighting kit? Oh yeah, it is. It's called a glow kit. So yeah, it's definitely a highlighting kit. So thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy that quite a lot. Looks like it's got some good colors in there too. And we are not done, folks. And we are not done. Okay, we'll put that little baby back there. And this was the other one. This is what I wrote in my comments. Because she asked, I believe she asked in the video, what would be your favorite product to win in this box? And this was my answer. This is What the Tea eyeshadow palette. And the thing that I found really interesting about this one is I was watching other people get this in their box. And I didn't see anybody create a look. But the thing about it has a nice, beautiful mirror. But the thing about it is it has 2 eyeshadow primers. And depending on the eyeshadow primer that you use, when you use the eyeshadow color on top of the different primers, it gives you completely different looks. So that, like I said, I'm getting into makeup and playing with eyeshadow looks. And this is really going to be fun. As a matter of fact, I was in the library yesterday because I hadn't been to the library in like forever. And I'm like, I got to get to the library. And it was me and my husband. And I was looking for some Stephen King books because I used to love reading Stephen King. And I haven't read any books in quite a long time. So my husband, he's roaming around looking at his own thing. And I'm looking for Stephen King and Dean Koontz. And then my husband comes up and he shows me this, this book with 500 eyeshadow looks. And it has pictures and how to create these different eyeshadow looks. So probably later, I'm going to get my little book out. I'm going to sit down on the couch and I'm just going to break out some eyeshadow palettes and start playing and see what kind of looks I can create. Because it's fun. Like before, I never used to even ever wear eyeshadows. But now I'm just completely getting into this. Okay, guys, we are at the bottom of the box. And this is the last one. And this is 3 moisturizing masks. And it has pearl extracts, rice extracts, shea butter extracts, and macadamia seed oil. So guys, come on, look at all the wonderful things once again. I mean, and these bracelets. You're gonna see me a lot wearing these in videos, so you guys might as well just get used to them. Maybe I'll switch them out. Maybe I just wear one at a time. I don't know. But I love these bracelets. These are just perfect for me, and I can't wait to play with the eyeshadow palette. And Jenny, thank you so much. Really a fabulous giveaway. And you guys go check out her channel. Most of you who are watching me already know who Jenny June is. But in case you don't, like I said, I will leave everything down below. And please, guys, if you like my videos, please remember to hit the little subscribe button and also tap on the little bell. And anytime I upload a video, you guys will be first to know about it. Now, I have a Nadine West coming in the mail. I also have a couple other subscription boxes coming in the mail, but I don't know when they're coming. But Nadine West is coming like today or tomorrow, so you'll probably see that one very soon. Okay, I also have, oh, here was another, it was just the box. I also have Fashion Star. The box by Fashion Star. I will be recording that right after this video, so I might be wearing the same exact clothes. So I'm going to get straight into that video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.